Learn to listen to somebody in a conversation and ask follow-up questions to show that you are interested in what the person just said. Here is an example topic. Dannsa. Listen first. Tá sé mi dánsa ríist. Ha go lecha mer dans agus, fémi mi barach kechker sich dhéanamh. Bí mi dul a gáin sa gaicha luain. Dansa mi san tala eglise. Dreifi mich an chlas or ha I leeuwer fallaf. Heech mi aan kálrish na karretjennakke magus. Bí mi a dansa kálri imig dunje. Learn to listen out for words and word groups while listening to a text. Focus on these words and word groups only. Dannsa, go, echter sich, eiche luain, tala eklische, leeuwer, carriagen, imig dunje. Now listen to the full text again and see if you can spot these words or word groups. Tá sé mi dansa ríist. Ha go lecha mer dansa agus, fémi mi barach kechker sich dhéanamh. Bí mi dul a gáin sa gaicha luain. Dansa mi san tala eglise. Dreifi mich an chlas or ha I leeuwer fallaf. Heech mi aan kálrish na karretjennakke magus. Bí mi a dansa kálri imig dunje. Now it is your turn to ask a question to show that you actively listened and are interested in what the other person says. Here is an example. Ché háisichas tú? Tá sé mi dánsa. Did you hear that I'm using a long vowel and an H sound? Háisichas with a guttural sound on the CH. If you forget to make your long vowel or mispronounce the TH at the start, it means something else. Chosichas. So háisichas, we talk about beginning. Chosichas, we talk about walking. Carsonna vistu a downsig. Ha go lecha mer downsig. Now in communication, keep at the back of your mind that some people may not want to tell you the reason. Be mindful, it may be too personal. Quinje vistu a dolle gaunsig. Bí mi a dolle gaunsig ei geluain. Kachen downsu. Downsi mi san tala eklische. Kiammer a heitju aan. Dreive mich an glas. Goelle vis aan. Bina carriage nakem sound. My friends will be there. You can even take it a step further and try to get an invite to go with them. You could ask, een burger, a gol aan, konlerucht. May I go there with you? Een burger gol aan, konlerucht. And they will either say, burren, yes, or ga burren, if there's no more space in the car. Remember, there is also another way to ask a question. Here's the example. Een durstu kun downsu. Hurst, if they say yes. You could ask, een turstu kun sheinu. And the answer would have been, gadurst. If there is one thing you are taking away from these small lessons, it is that you need to become very strong and confident with the use of yes and no answers for regular and irregular verbs in all the tenses. Now it is your turn to find more text to listen to, learn to ask follow-up questions, and practice those verbs so you become really confident in conversation.